All right, we are on California Virtual Academy's website, and we're just kind of looking over how this is really helpful to students, parents, and prospective students. First, we're just starting out on our homepage, and right here, they already are willing to send you more information for either K through 8 or 9 through 12, and you can kind of fill out your information to get more information about registering. It just starts off with some articles like what is online learning like, jumpstart your future, meet the teachers. So they are already giving you lots of information on our first page, and then kind of just a quick motto where every student grows and connects. And then they also link some news articles about virtual schools increasing their enrollment, how it might be a good fit for special education students, and how the CAVA specifically has opened this new school year successfully. And they have a lot more articles. Further down, this is the bottom of their website. So on every page, they have their address, they have their accreditation, and then they have really helpful links for quick links to really direct students and parents. And then over here, some more ways to get in touch with them. And then just kind of a reminder that because it's public school, there is no tuition, and they have to have their own printer and ink, but computers can kind of be given out, and enrollment consultants can help the technical and computer questions and issues there. So that's their homepage. Each one of their drop-down menus has lots of options, and they're all very clear and spelled out. So we'll start with who we are. There is a letter from our head of schools. There's a meet our team where you can go through their administrators, elementary staff, middle school staff, high school staff, special program staff. You can look at their governing board, their school photo album, their accreditation, their school accountability report card, their education protection account, career opportunities, local control and accountability plan, and news and announcements. So if we just click meet our team really quickly, it kind of just goes over a broad summary, and then you can go more specifically and get to know each of the kind of higher ups for elementary education, like a director, principals, a curriculum specialist. So it doesn't list all the teachers right here. They are more school by school basis, because there are 9 different campuses for California Virtual Academies. There's 9 different locations, so they can't list all the teachers that are present there, but they do have some important names and kind of backgrounds on them. Results. This page currently is only parent reviews, but this could be really helpful for other districts or stakeholders to kind of look at the real results of the school, maybe academic results, as well as these parent reviews. Their expectations for online schools is a really good resource for students. It kind of helps, and parents too, but it gets to know how the time commitment's going to work, what socialization will look like, and more about the curriculum. So this, again, is just giving the parents, students, and even prospective students, it kind of lets them know a little bit more about it before deciding. There's also, for each school, there's a education protection account, so it's just financial information. This is really good for the district, and to kind of have all the information about each of those schools. They have career opportunities if other teachers are interested in teaching here, how to apply. So again, everything is very straightforward, and you can go through. You can see how they kind of fit in a community. They have prom, they have graduation, art contests. So there's a lot of ways that the kids still connect. When we go over to how it works, it's really kind of a brief layout of what it looks like to be in elementary, middle, or high school. So for elementary here, it kind of gives a brief background and then just says the parent and learning coach is still very much involved. They even say daily for TK through 2 and even 3 through 5, 70 to 80% of the school time. So parents or the learning coaches are still very involved. It also talks about working with your teacher, the attendance policies, and mastering lessons. And then once it goes to middle school, the students get a little bit more independent. They're still working with their teacher and attendance policies. So it really kind of goes through all of these. And each one has a lot when we go through our curriculum. So once you learn how, say, elementary school works, you can go over to the K through 5 curriculum and say, okay, we know that the parent or the learning coach is involved. Let's look at what they do. So they have their curriculum here. Again, some quick background about nurturing primary and elementary school students, what the curriculum is based on. And then at the bottom of each one, there's a course overview. So if you go through middle school, they have a course overview. They have a, they have a high school course catalog. So again, high school offers a little bit more. So they're going to have a little bit longer list and a course catalog. And then they also have a Destinations Career Academy, and they have courses and opportunities to take classes in arts, media, and entertainment, business and finance, health science and medical technology, kind of IT and marketing, sales and services. And it helps them kind of pick maybe possible majors in college, possible careers. So Destinations Career Academy kind of gives them opportunities to focus on all these different careers and interests to see what they may want to do in the future. They also have a community and events page. This kind of goes through, they have an academic calendar, first day of school, days off. So this is all academic, which is a nice, quick, important dates to make sure that's on a family calendar. They have another events page where they have in-person events, online info sessions, speakers and special appearances, and recorded online info sessions. So you can go through and you can find that for the month. And then there's a last one, Strong Start. I think this Strong Start page is really helpful. This is great for students and parents. It talks about, especially transitioning students, how to start school strong, how to design your learning space at home, and how to set up your daily schedule. So this would all be great. If I was transitioning my child into online learning, I would definitely have them watch these videos, maybe set up their space together and kind of give them tips to be successful. And then down here, they have national programming for families and students at K through 12. So K-12 kind of gives these resources here, and they have a student center where students can join clubs, summer camps, and other resources to connect with other online students, and a K through 12 learning coach corner, where learning coaches play a big role, so it really helps them find out how they can best support their student. So sources to help kids connect and socialize, and sources to support that learning coach too. And that was in our Strong Start. They also have a learning coach corner, which again is talking about how important our learning coaches are, and some frequently asked questions for them. And they also have a support team to kind of help set up their own student accounts here and help them with technology. And then our last one is the frequently asked questions. This is really helpful for just prospective students, for parents with questions, students with questions. And what I really like about this drop-down menu is they do have the advantages and challenges of online schooling. They're not just saying online schools for everyone. They are being pretty explicit and giving us the advantages as well as the challenges of online learning. So they are saying there are pros, there are cons. decide if this is the best fit for you. So they are really honest and unbiased on this page, which I appreciate. They have technical facts about what's needed to attend, what computer skills are required, testing and assessment, so kind of everything. If you have a question there, it's probably on here, and if not, they do have a contact us page, or you could kind of call in. I know for online learning, they said learning coaches are involved almost in daily lessons in elementary, and there's a lot of communication with teachers. So I'm sure they can ask that way. But if you kind of go through their website and you can't find answers in this very detailed, clear website, you could definitely contact or even kind of fill out your information for more information to find out if this school was a best fit for you. But again, I think this website is great for prospective students, and teachers, because it's clearly organized. It gives great information. Most of it is unbiased and kind of has the advantages and challenges, or just factual, like their curriculum and the courses. So this is their website, and I think it's great for their students and parents to kind of stay up to date. And it's a quick one-stop shop where they can kind of go through, get what they want. And right up here is their school login too, so they can use their Kava website to go through, answer any questions they have, and also sign in to their online school. So I think their website is helpful overall. Maybe they could add something about like technology support, but other than that, I think this website is very informational and helpful.